Earning money online offers a lot of flexibility and opportunities. Regardless of whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time income, here are some practical ways to get started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most direct routes to earning online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can connect you with clients needing services in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Just set up a profile, showcase your skills, and start pitching for jobs. 2. Selling products online. If you have a knack for crafts or have products to sell, platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon can be your gateway to the online market. You can also set up your own website using tools like Shopify to sell directly to consumers. 3. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a great way to monetize a blog or YouTube channel. Start by choosing products that match your audience's interests and sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. 4. Online courses and workshops. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area, consider creating online courses or hosting workshops. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to build and sell courses in everything from programming and photography to cooking and crafts. 5. Content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or a personal blog can also generate income. Through ad revenues, sponsorships, and fan donations via platforms like Patreon, content creators can turn their passion into profit. 6. Stock photography. If photography is your hobby, selling your photos on stock photography, websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images can be a good revenue stream. Quality content that meets the needs of marketing professionals and business owners is in high demand. 7. Virtual tutoring. With virtual learning becoming more prevalent, there is a significant demand for online tutors. Websites like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors can connect you with students in subjects you excel in. 8. Remote job positions. Companies are increasingly offering remote job positions, which you can find on job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, or Remote.co. These jobs range from customer service roles to more specialized positions like tech support and coding. 9. App development. If you have a unique app idea or the skills to develop one, this could be a substantial income source. You can monetize your app through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. 10. Investing in cryptocurrency or stocks. For those interested in finance, investing in cryptocurrency or stock markets can be lucrative. However, it's essential to educate yourself thoroughly and understand the risks involved before diving into this area. Starting to earn money online can be as simple or as complex as you make it. The key is to choose a path that leverages your skills and interests, setting realistic goals and gradually